Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing my easy moisturizing routine that keeps my fussy hair soft and hydrated all day. Let's get into it. Always start by damping your hair using water. For this video, I'm currently using rosemary water. Fussy hair needs both hydration and moisture because of its tight curl pattern. I'll go in with my leave-in conditioner. This adds moisture and makes my curls easier to detangle. Then go in with a moisturizing cream for extra softness. This helps lock the hydration from the leave-in. Finally, I seal it all with oil, focusing on the ends to keep them moisturized and prevent dryness. After sealing in the moisture with oil, I go ahead to detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. Make sure to be gentle when detangling the hair.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
After twisting the hair, don't forget to cut the split ends. In your routine, you always need to use both hydration and moisture. This helps achieve soft, healthy hair that retains length and reduces breakage. For hydration, always use water or water-based products. They open up the cuticles and allow moisture to penetrate deeply.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
When it comes to moisture, it's about retaining the water and keeping the hair hydrated over time.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
We have different methods to layer your products. We have the lock method, where normally you start with a liquid followed by an oil and cream. We also have the LCO method, where you start with liquid and then a cream and then finalize it with the oil to seal the moisture. I normally use the LCO method to lock in the moisture for longer.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Don't mind the mess, I applied a bit too much rose water.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Make sure you're protecting your hair at night by using a silk or satin scarf when sleeping.
We'll ever trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
A simple routine for soft, moisturized hair. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more natural hair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!